Hey guys, Game Maker 45 here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to finish up the office in your 5 Nights at Freddy's game. If you haven't watched the other 2 parts of the series, a card will either appear up here or up here, showing you like the second episode if you missed that, or both links to the videos will be down in the description. So let's get into it. So obviously we left off doing this. We did not finish this, but you probably have already made your closing animations and all opening and stuff. So let's animate these closing animations. So what you want to do, duplicate this mouse and set this to 3. Now switch this to closing 1. Repeat the amount of costumes you have. So for me that is so let's see, it starts at 2 and then at 6 and ends at 7, so that's 6. Then we want to take away 1 because obviously we're already starting on it and we don't want to go over a costume, which that's usually what I do. So now what you want to do is now you then want to set your left door state to 2 right here. You can put a sound there if you want or not. I'm not gonna because obviously, well, it's just a game. Actually not. I will actually go in and import a sound. You go import your sound and yeah, we'll be right back into it. Okay, I've gone in and imported my sound. So now what you want to do is you want to do start sound. So duplicate this, put it in here, make this a 4. And then what you want to do is you just want to switch this to your last closing animation, which for me is closing 6. Now instead of using next costume, you're like, okay, we'll just use previous costume. There's no such thing as a previous costume, but for some reason there is a thing as a previous backdrop. So what we're going to do is we just want to do switch costume to put a 1 in here and put costume number right here. Now once you do that, then you want to switch this to 1. Now duplicate this and rename it to right door. Oops, I spelled that wrong. Right door. And now so what you want to do is you want to create a new variable code and call it right door state. Now make all these words are going to be for this byte only. Now once you have done that, if you have Scratch add-ons, which I do, you can just right click this and click swap variables from this byte, and I'll just type in right door state. If you don't have that, you'll just have to go in and do it and like automatically like boom, like do that and stuff, but I just have to do that. So pause the video and go do that and come right back. Okay, so you've probably already done it. So now let's go into our costume sprite and everything. You just want to flip horizontally. Just click flip. Flip horizontal. And now once you have done all of that, now let's start up again. The game. Continue. Yeah. So now you have that. Oh, our office is not big enough. Okay. Well, I guess I forgot to fix that last video. So from what it looks like our door is actually well positioned, which is actually really good. But if you want, you can change it. I probably will. So I'm actually gonna go fix up this and also move the door. So yeah. Okay, so then there's 2 ways that like you can make it like closer to where you want to go, you can either do this, which is what I usually do. It's a lot easier, or you can do the hard way and move the costumes manually, which I do not like to do. That one is actually pretty difficult. So now once you're done that, let's start working on the button. So now I'm gonna go ahead and create. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to create a sprite. Call it left. Oh my god, I can't spell. Left door button. And then what you want to do is copy in the office sprite into this. Actually, no, you don't need to do that. Just copy in the left door. It doesn't matter which frame, just any left door. That will work. Because you want it to be here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw up my button, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I've gone ahead and drawn my door thing, my door button, and what you want to do is just delete the door. Do not delete the low dot, because that will be useful. So yeah, now what you want to do this is call this off. That's usually what I like to do, and rename this and call it on, and basically this button you just want to make red. Just make it red. There, now you have your door button. Now, let's start coding. So actually, when I receive menu, hide, and stop the scripts in the sprite. And now, what we're going to do is what we can do is we can go to the right door. Actually, we'll do left door, because like that's everything we want. And go ahead and drag it into here. So now, look, ooh, okay, that's not good. So what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna want to do a minus. So let's like do, I'm gonna do minus 10. So there. Nice, that looks good. But now we can also do something like minus 5, which actually that's alright. Okay, so now what you want to do is do you can do that in here, but I'm just gonna do that in a different thing, so then it just saves. It's just easier and it works a lot better. So we didn't set it, so drag out a set variable to and set left door state to 1, and then do forever if grab an and do if touching mouse pointer and touch and mouse down. Then what you want to do is we want to do a check, and we want to check if hold on, first of all we want to switch costume to off. Sorry about that. So now back to this. If grab out an equals and grab out your left door state, and if left door state is equal to 1, then what you want to do is, okay, let's see, you want to switch costume to on and set left door state to 3. Oh, duplicate this, make this an if you don't have scratch add-ons, which why wouldn't you? Then so if you have scratch add-ons, you can just right click this and click if you don't have scratch add-ons, you're gonna have to replace this with an if, and then if left door state is equal to, switch costume to off and set left door state to 4. There, that's pretty much it. It's actually really simple to do the doors. Now I'm actually gonna change this to like 8. Now what you want to do is go and duplicate it and call it the right door button. So now I'm going to just change this to I'll just do a plus because I'm lazy. That's 75 plus 8. I'm lazy, and then just flip it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, oh, it's appearing where it's not supposed to be. So if we do this, that's minus 83. Let's actually do like minus 100. That still does not work for some reason. And I do not know why. So now let's do minus 200. Now let's try maybe 275. Oh, my 275. That's too much. So let's just do 210, 220. Oh, 220 is good. 220 is good. Now just go in here and if you have any text, flip that. Because that is very important to flip the text. I'm not gonna like make it look good because obviously it's just a tutorial. It doesn't have to look good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is not working because I do not have that running. Oh, I forgot. We also have to make these the right door stage. So just do this. Obviously, if you don't have scratch add-ons, you won't be able to do this. But I'm just gonna do it because you should probably get scratch add-ons. So now, nice. Oh, I haven't. This doesn't work. Nice. So now, duplicate the left door button and call it left light button. So left light button. And now we're just gonna set the Y to, actually, you know what, this negative 49 actually works. Probably. Oh. Yeah, it actually does. We're gonna want to move it up a bit, so like negative like 20? No, 30. Yeah, negative 30 works. Now, place this with 5. And set this to 5 and set this to 1. And now what you want to do is, instead of this being green, just make it white. So now switch all this to white, because this is the light button. And now we're just going to want to modify this code a bit. So, sorry. Okay, so what we're going to do to modify the code is we're going to take this out. And now, we're gonna check only if we're touching mouse. Okay, so I think we're gonna do if touching mouse pointer. No, actually, but this actually works better. So if touching mouse pointer and mouse down, then what we want to do is we also then want to check if left door state is equal to oh god, this is a giant massive code. We're gonna check if left door state or oh sorry, we're gonna check if either left door state is equal to 1 or 5. So then if it's not equal to that, then nothing's gonna happen. Then if it is, then this will happen. So now it's actually pretty simple. Just for the right light button, just flip this. I just realized this still says door. I will fix that later, like off camera, just to save time. But yeah, so now in this, yeah, 220, I might set this to number 228. Oh, I'm stupid. we don't add that. So now just what again we want to do is we're just gonna replace this. Oh. So swap variable and sprite for, oh, wrong variable. Oops, no, wrong variable. So right door state. Boom. There, just like that. Now that is actually pretty much it for the office. Like, in the next video, we're gonna start working on the cameras, which, let me tell you, that's gonna be very exciting. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.